In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop to your router with an Ethernet cable. So this is going to give you a much stronger and a much more stable internet connection. Now, all you'll need for this is an Ethernet cable. If you don't already have one of these, you can pick them up for a small fee online. Now, all we simply need to do is come round to the back of the router like this, and you need to plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port on your router. So this will typically be labeled with LAN. If it's not labeled, they may be yellow or orange colored. So you can see here, mine's the yellow ones, and these are the LAN ports. So just go ahead and connect your Ethernet cable into the back of any of these ports, and then you need to plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port in your laptop. Now, if your laptop has a LAN port, you can just go and plug this in directly. Otherwise, what you can do is you can buy an extension that basically creates this LAN port for you. So I've actually purchased this USB to Ethernet adapter. So this will just allow me to plug my USB into my laptop, and then I can go and plug the Ethernet cable into the adapter like so. Now, once your Ethernet cable is plugged into the router and your laptop, it should automatically connect on your laptop computer. If it doesn't connect straight away, you can open up the start menu. You can then search for control panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, make sure view by is set to large icons, and then click on the network and sharing center. You can then click on change adapter settings in the left hand side, and right here you'll see Ethernet. Just go and right click on this and make sure it's enabled. So if it's currently disabled like this, you can just go and select enable. You'll then need to right click on Ethernet and click on properties, and just make sure Internet Protocol version 4 is checked like this, and then you can go and press OK, and you should now be connected to your router via Ethernet. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.